Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aya. In today's video I would like to share with you a crafty haul, what I bought from Black Friday deals. I watched Jennifer Maguire the full day live. This was very tempting. So let's get started. Honeybee stamps. So I think this is the freebie. I really adore their packaging. So cute. So I get a thank you card. And this is my receipt. And this is a free die. This is called what? Ginger? Just free die. It's a ginger die. So cute. Then okay, that's an impulse ink folder, and this one called Wood Planes. I got this die. This one called Lovely Layers Small Suitcase. Then I got this stencil. This called Streamers, set of 3. This is the instructions that comes with the die. So it shows you step 1, 2, 3, know to layer all these die cuts. Then I bought this die. I have this feeling that I have this die, but let's see. Lovely Layers Cornflower. Okay, then I got this die called Lace Heart Layering Frames. So chic. Then finally this die. This die was really expensive. Instructions. So cute. Okay, so I have my order from Tailored Expression. So I got the Precision Glue Press. I really like this tool. So it comes with glue and an empty bottle, so you can put your favorite glue here. It comes with anything and with instructions. Then they carry brush markers, bro. Picked some colors, or my favorite colors. They sell individual markers and the entire set, but it's sold out, so I got my favorite colors. These are watercolors markers, and I did several videos where I colored using these brush markers. Next order was from A Pocket Full of Happiness. It's also my first time to know about this company. I got to know about them from Jennifer's Maguire list. So I picked up this die called Mushroom. And here is an image of all these cute mushrooms. I believe this company in Germany or UK. Next we have My Sweet Forest. I really like the shapes of the tree, so cute. Look. Cool. Then I got this one, Concentric Ovals. I got this cover plate, Spring Showers. And I like the examples, the card sample that she has on her website was really triggering me to buy more than one die. This one called Abstract Toucan Background. Look at this. So cool. Another cover plate, which is large one. I think this is a 7. And this is how it looks like. And last but not least, this die brick wall background, also A7. Very cool. Yeah, so that's my haul from Pocket Full of Happiness. Next we have Concord and Ninth. Just put this aside, and this is, I think this is their new release. So first I got this die. This called Filled with Joy dies. I have the feeling that it coordinates with a stamp, so I just got the die. Then I got this die set called Mystic Moth Inlaid Die. This is so beautiful. I really like it. Then I got the ABCDs, also the alphabets, uppercase and lowercase. Then I got this mushroom die, so cute, called Mushroom Melody Dies. Then I got this die too, spring print dies. So beautiful. Then this die, True Story dies. I love it. Then I got Afternoon Tea dies. So beautiful. Last but not least, I got a Primrose Garden dies. So as you see, most of the stuff I bought is dies. I'm now into die cutting more than stamping. So here, did I buy a stamp? No, mostly dies. Okay, let me clean the table and go to the next purchase. I just received my order from scrapbook.com. So I received 2 free gifts, Simple Stories, this one called Simple Vintage Fresh Snow, and a magic mat. And I love their magic mat. I'm not sure if it's this one magnetic or this is just like the original one, the black one. I'm not sure. Okay, so what did I got? Yeah, I got these 2 dies by Honeybee because the time I placed my order and Honeybee stamps, these 2 were sold out. So I'm glad that I got them at scrapbook.com. This is for, you know, for the cabinet, kitchen cabinet. So cute. I'm really excited for the gingerbread houses. Okay, then the rest will be papers. Also, that's my first time to try their papers. I never bought any paper by scrapbook.com. I don't remember who, but she really triggered me to check and buy their papers. I like the prints and the colors. So cute. This one called a Nutcracker. Love it. And this one, Snow Days. And I really like it's 4.5 by 4.25 by 5.5. So it's ready, you know, to use in your cart. Then gingerbread. This one 6 by 8. Ooh, so beautiful and vibrant colors. Love, love, love. I didn't find, 4.25 by 5.5, so I got this one. Then finally, I really wanted 6 by 6, but this was the only paper size they have by Prima. This is one of their new papers. And this one called The Mouse, The Home Baker. It's so cute. I think I saw Sarah, Crafty Bean. Sorry, not Sarah, Tina. Sorry, Tina. She shared this in her haul and I fell in love. Look at this vintage. Oh my goodness. So cute, you know, it reminds me of this movie Ratatouille, the rat chef. So cute. So that's my haul from scrapbook.com. Let me see if I have the... Yes, I have my haul from Paper Tray Ink. So finally I got my hands on this cute die, and this one called Gingerbread Builder. It was sold out for a long time, so I'm glad I got it. Then I got this stencil. This is a Pretty Packages stencil collection. And I got this one, Border Blank Skinny Rec Rack dies. So cute. And I got this stamp and die, but I checked and I have this already, so this will go to my distash pile. But this one called Sweet Holiday. It has like snowman, cream, and I bought the die. So I have already other one like this. Last but not least, this cute die, and this one, what is the name? Cookie Swap. I really love all the details, the cookies, snowman, so cute. So I'm really excited already. So yeah, so that's my haul from Paper Tray Ink. week. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time. Good morning, everyone. It's 7:30 a.m. Everyone is sleeping except me. So I would like to share with you the rest of the haul or the craft supplies I bought. Unfortunately, there are let me check, yes, 5 packages didn't arrive yet, and unfortunately I'm traveling tomorrow out of the state, so they have to wait like for 2 weeks till I come back. So anyway, so let me share what do I have now. So we have Simon Says stamps, and here is a coupon for you for $5 off, Mary. So what did I got from them? From their sale, they have a sale section. I got this stencil. I really like it, called Village. And this die was on sale. This is a Give It a Whirl scalloped add-on, and this is Give It a Whirl, just like this. So I'm excited to try it. Ruler. So I got this by Simon Says Stamp, this one called Meadow Swag. This is the only die I bought from them. Also, I got the Memory Box Happy Goose. So cute. Then I got this oval die. This is stitched oval. Blanket stitched oval. I don't have, any oval die, believe it or not. I'm not sure why. Then I got Waffle Flower Shelf, and I already have this die, so it's going to my pistache pile. And I got this one, Positivity Perfect Craft Tacky Mat. And finally, this is a gift. I really love this stamp set called Peking Snowman. So cute. So again, mostly dies what I bought from them. Then next we have this shop called Karen Burston. It's my first time to order from their website. This is their website if you are interested. And I will look at their I like how they package it. So let me show you what did I order. Also, they put a candy and my son snatched it. Okay. So this is the first die, and this one called Kitchen Borders. And look at this. You see, when you see the borders, you feel that the dies are small. But look at this. They are really big. I didn't expect that. They're huge. I mean, comparing, to the image here. So this was a good surprise, to be honest. So cute. Then I got tea and coffee borders. Look at this cute one. Baking borders. We have a cupcake, chef hat. What do you call this? Rolling pin, maybe? Pie, cupcakes. So cute. We have oven extras, so it comes with all these dies. I think I have kind of similar. Now when I look at these, I feel I have this die, but in a different brand. But anyway. Then these, I thought they are small, but they are really huge. They are big. I mean, I was thinking of a small sizes, like baking charm, but they're big. I think I have this size in a different brand, so we'll see. This one called Coffee Charms. So cute. Then this was a gift, as I will think. Yeah, this was a gift. What? Paper frames pop-up. Just a pop-up die. Okay, so I'm really excited to try these charms. Last but not least, an order from Colorado Craft Company. As you see, all my purchases were dies except from Colorado Craft Company. I ordered stamps because I signed up for watercolor classes and I really want to dig deep and learn how to color, I want to say professionally, but watercolor in an artistic way, let's say. So instead of, trying to draw the images, I don't know how to draw. And you know what? I think I saw this cupcake stamp set in Colorado Craft Company, and they call it Big and Bold stamps. And they were having really a huge sale. I thought that they were closing down, but I'm not sure. So check them out. I'm not sure if the sale is still there. Check Jennifer McGuire Crafty Sale page, because from there I got the discount. So what did I pick? I got this stamp set, this one called a birthday cake. So cute. All these stamps I would just, to color them with watercolor, and try to apply the techniques I learned in these images. This one called a birthday cone. These are really old stamps. I used to have them like years ago, but I detached them, and here I am buying them again. And this one called Slimline Macaroons. This one called a Thinking Magnolia. This is the only one I got the die for it. I don't know. I feel that I can create a card using these beautiful flowers. And I got this one too. This one called Slimline Ice Cream. Then citrus berry cupcake. Yum, yum, yum. Then I got this one. This is what snowman hug mug. So cute. Mug, but it didn't arrive. And finally, I'm not sure why I got this, because I think I have it. This one called Bon Appetit. She's so cute. Anyway, so that's my order from Colorado Craft Company. So that's it. Happy holiday, enjoy it till maximum, and happy new year also. I pray for a peace on earth. Please pray also for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next year.